Hello Tech Explorers! Today we'll be creating a program to automate the arming and launching mechanism of our robot Catapult. We'll use a touch sensor for automatic arming and an IR sensor for automated launching. We'll be using Avishkar's AMS Studio to create our program. First, add the My Program block to initiate the program. Then, include an infinite loop so the robot continuously arms and launches. Next, insert an if statement to check if the touch sensor is pressed. When pressed, the motor will rotate clockwise, arming the catapult and locking the launcher into place. After that, add an else if statement to check if the IR sensor detects a hand. If a hand is detected, the motor will rotate counterclockwise, releasing the launcher and sending the ball flying. Finally, let's specify what our catapult robot will do if its sensors detect nothing. In this case, the motor will remain inactive and will not rotate. Our program is now complete. It's time to put it to the test.